Joints are basically the connections between bones in our body that allow for movement. They come in different types, like hinge joints, like the ones in your elbows and knees, ball and socket joints, the ones in your hips and shoulders, and more. Think of them as the hinges that allow you to bend, twist, and move around. Next up, we've got cartilage. Cartilage is a tough, flexible tissue that covers the ends of bones in a joint. It acts like a shock absorber, helping to reduce friction and prevent the bones from rubbing against each other. You can find it in places like your ears, nose, and in between your vertebrae. And then there are ligaments. These are tough bands of connective tissue that connect bones to each other. They provide stability to the joints and help prevent excessive movement in directions that could lead to injury. So it's crucial to strengthen all of your joints, cartilage, and ligaments to keep your balance and move your body freely. So, in today's episode, let's learn about some of the easiest ways to strengthen your joints, cartilage, and ligaments so that you can continue your daily activities pain-free for many years to come. Let's begin. Number 1. Stretch every day. First and foremost, stretching helps to improve your flexibility. When you stretch, you're extending your muscles, which in turn reduces the strain on your joints and ligaments. This increased flexibility allows your joints to move more freely, reducing the risk of injury. Stretching also enhances blood circulation to the joints and the tissues around them. This improved blood flow delivers essential nutrients and oxygen, promoting the overall health of cartilage and ligaments. Regular stretching also helps to prevent muscle imbalances. When your muscles are balanced, they provide better support to your joints, reducing stress on cartilage and ligaments. If you have strong, balanced muscles, it's less likely that your joints will have to compensate for weakness, which can lead to overuse and injuries. Furthermore, stretching is an excellent way to relieve muscle tension and maintain a full range of motion in your joints. This not only makes you feel good, but also prevents your ligaments from becoming stiff and your cartilage from getting damaged prematurely. Number 2. Avoid dehydration. First off, let's talk about synovial fluid. This fluid is like the body's natural joint lubricant. It's a clear, thick fluid that reduces friction between the cartilage-covered surfaces of the bones in our joints. Now here's where hydration comes into play. Our body needs water to produce an adequate amount of synovial fluid. When we're dehydrated, there's less of this crucial lubricant available, which means our joints can start to rub together more, potentially causing discomfort and even damage over time. So, how much water should we be aiming for per day? Well, the classic recommendation is at least around 8 cups a day, but individual needs can vary based on factors like age, activity level, and climate. A good general rule of thumb is to pay attention to your thirst signals and drink water as soon as you feel thirsty. Number 3. Eat more allium vegetables. Allium vegetables are a group of veggies including onions, garlic, leeks, shallots, and chives. You've probably come across these in your kitchen, right? Well, besides adding flavor to our dishes, they bring a bunch of benefits to the table when it comes to joint health. These vegetables are packed with organosulfur compounds, which play a crucial role in maintaining healthy connective tissues. These sulfur-based compounds help in the formation of collagen and elastin, 2 essential proteins that make up cartilage and ligaments. Garlic, for example, is loaded with an organosulfur compound called allicin, which has anti-inflammatory properties. This can be a game changer for reducing joint pain, inflammation, and swelling, and can be very beneficial for people who have arthritis. Now, about onions. They're rich in quercetin, a powerful antioxidant that helps fight off oxidative stress in your body. This is particularly important for maintaining the health of your joints, as oxidative stress can contribute to the breakdown of cartilage. And then there are leeks, shallots, and chives, which all share similar beneficial compounds and healing properties. So, including more allium vegetables in your diet is like giving your joints, cartilage, and ligaments a natural boost of strength and resilience. Number 4. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like trout, salmon, herring, and sardines are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA. These are the good kinds of fats that have a lot of health benefits, especially when it comes to joints, cartilage, and ligaments. You see, omega-3s have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce joint pain and stiffness. Plus, they support the production of collagen, a protein that's a crucial building block for cartilage and ligaments. These fish are also rich in vitamin D, which is essential for bone health. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium from the foods you eat, ensuring that your body has enough calcium to make and repair bones and joints. Number 5. Strength training. Strength training, simply put, is a form of exercise that involves using resistance to build muscle strength and endurance. This can be done through activities like lifting weights, using resistance bands, or even using our own body weight in exercises like push-ups and squats. Strength training helps to build and maintain the muscle mass that surrounds and supports your joints. When your muscles are strong, they provide better stability and protection to your joints, reducing the risk of injuries. Strong muscles also help to absorb shock and distribute forces more evenly during physical activities, which ultimately takes some of the strain off your joints. Strength training has also been shown to stimulate the production of collagen, a key component of cartilage and ligaments. Collagen is essential for maintaining the structural integrity and elasticity of these connective tissues. Additionally, resistance exercises help improve bone density too, and stronger bones are less prone to fractures and damage. Lastly, strength training can also help manage and prevent conditions like osteoarthritis, a common joint disorder. By strengthening the surrounding muscles, you reduce the load on the affected joints and reduce the pain and discomfort associated with such conditions. Number 6. Take glucosamine and chondroitin supplements. Glucosamine and chondroitin supplements have been popular choices for many people looking to strengthen their joints, cartilage, and ligaments. But let's break down what they are and how they can benefit you. First off, glucosamine is a natural compound found in the fluid around your joints. It acts as a building block for cartilage, that tough, flexible tissue that covers the ends of your bones. So taking glucosamine supplements supports the maintenance and repair of your cartilage. Now let's talk about chondroitin. Chondroitin is another natural substance found in your cartilage. It helps to keep your cartilage healthy by attracting water molecules, which in turn helps to maintain its elasticity, reduces friction, and improves shock-absorbing properties. As we age, the natural production of glucosamine and chondroitin in our bodies tends to decrease, which can lead to joint issues and stiffness. Studies have shown that taking these supplements can help reduce joint pain and stiffness, improve joint function, and slow down the progression of osteoarthritis. Although they are generally considered safe for most people, always consult with your doctor to determine if these supplements are right for you. Number 7. Take more protein. Protein isn't just for bulking up muscles. It plays a crucial role in repairing and maintaining all kinds of tissues, including the ones in our joints and connective structures. So, when you're getting enough protein, you're essentially providing your body with the materials it needs to repair and strengthen these important parts of your musculoskeletal system. There's a whole bunch of protein-rich foods you can opt for. Lean meats like chicken, turkey, and fish are fantastic sources. If you follow a plant-based diet, then you can opt for tofu, tempeh, beans, and lentils. Dairy products like yogurt and cheese are also good protein sources. Eggs, nuts, seeds, and quinoa are not only rich in protein, but also come with a bunch of other nutrients that can be really good for your joints and overall health. Number 8. Take enough vitamin C. First off, vitamin C is a potent antioxidant. This means it helps protect your joints and the surrounding tissues, including cartilage and ligaments, from free radical damage. Vitamin C is also essential for the synthesis of collagen, a structural protein that's a major component of cartilage, ligaments, and tendons. Collagen provides strength and flexibility to your joints. Without enough vitamin C, your body may not be able to produce collagen properly, which can lead to weakened cartilage and ligaments, making your joints more susceptible to injuries. Vitamin C also helps your body absorb iron from plant-based iron sources. And iron is crucial for oxygen transport and energy production. This is important because a well-oxygenated body helps your joints and tissues function properly. Foods like citrus fruits, strawberries, kiwi, and vegetables like bell peppers and broccoli are excellent sources of vitamin C. Number 9. Try to lose your extra weight. Every extra pound you carry can result in several pounds of extra pressure on your weight-bearing joints, like your spine, knees, and hips. Over time, this increased stress can wear down the cartilage that cushions your joints. leading to conditions like osteoarthritis. So, maintaining a healthy body weight can significantly reduce the risk of joint problems. Moreover, when you're overweight, your body may produce more inflammatory substances that can harm your joints. Inflammation can damage both cartilage and ligaments, making your joints more prone to injury and pain. So by shedding those extra pounds, you can lower inflammation levels, which is a win-win for your joint health. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel to support our mission to help improve your health. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.